Hello students, welcome to the online class of physics. This is your Naima Miss back with the star solar system. Okay, so in the previous class we have learned about what did we learn about? We have learned about the stars, we have learned about the sundial, how to make our sundial, we have understood the movement of length of the shadows, we have understood the shapes of the moon, phases of the moon. We have learned all these things in our previous classes. So in today's class we will learn about the eclipse. We will learn about the eclipse. So I hope you all know eclipse. How many types of eclipse are there? How many we see in our day-to-day life? We see lunar eclipse and we see solar eclipse. These two eclipses we observe in our day-to-day life, isn't it? Yes. So we feel very pleasant during the night. Yes, because of the moon. When we observe the full moon and we see the black sky with these small stars in it, we feel like very pleasant. We feel like, wow, if it would be like this only every day and night, how it would be, right? So sometimes on full moon day the moon loses its brightness also for some time, and it appears covered partially or fully. मतलब लूनर इक्लिप्स मतलब इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं चांद ग्रहण. इक्लिप्स मतलब ग्रहण. अगर ग्रहण चांद का हो तो बोलेंगे लूनर इक्लिप्स. अगर ग्रहण सन का हो तो बोलेंगे सोलर इक्लिप्स. ठीक है, तो ये होगा आपका लूनर इक्लिप्स, चांद ग्रहण. ये होगा सोलर इक्लिप्स, वो होगा सूरज ग्रहण. सो ग्रहण, व्हेन वी सी सम ऑफ द शेडेड पार्ट ऑफ द sun, then it is called as moon, then it is called as lunar eclipse. When some of the sun's part is shaded, a dark color is coming on it, then it is called as solar eclipse. Okay, so I hope it is clear now. लूनर एक्लिप्स, सोलर एक्लिप्स, चांद ग्रहण, सूरज ग्रहण. ठीक है. When the sun is also getting covered partially or fully by the shadow, then it is called as solar eclipse. So let us learn about the solar eclipse first. Okay, so now coming to the solar eclipse, a solar eclipse occurs when the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. How it comes? It comes like shadow of moon falls on the earth. ठीक है, जब भी मून का शैडो अर्थ पे गिरेगा तब होगा सूरज ग्रहण. ठीक है. अब ये this mainly occurs only on the new moon day. This occurs only on the day of new moon day, Amavasya. Okay, so types of solar eclipse. We have three types of solar eclipse. First one is total solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse. So what is solar eclipse? When the shadow of the moon is falling on the earth. The shadow of the moon is falling on the earth. When this shadow is falling on the earth, then that is called as the solar eclipse. The solar eclipse, total solar eclipse, it occurs only when the moon completely covers the sun, as seen from the earth. When we are standing on the earth and we are observing from here, you see that the moon is completely shaded by this is moon, this is sun, right? Now this sun and moon, this moon comes and completely covers. That means मून है या सन है हम लोग को पता ही नहीं चलेगा, तो मतलब वो पूरा 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 ब्लैक हो जाता, पूरा मून कवर हो जाता, मून पूरा ब्लैक दिखता. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सोलर इक्लिप्स. Okay, then partial solar eclipse. Partial बोले तो we understand from the term only, partial solar eclipse. That means partial part of the moon is covered. Okay, it can be observed only when the partially shaded outer region of the shadow cast by the moon touches the earth. Just a partial. Then coming to the Annular eclipse. Now this is the important one. Annular eclipse. Now what is annular eclipse? It occurs only when the moon appears smaller than the sun as it passes centrally across the solar disk, and a bright ring or the annulus of sunlight remains visible during the eclipse. That means very, like this small angular. That means this whole is appear to be, this will be appearing dark. Only a small angular, that is a small ring, small very thin layer will be visible to us. That is called as the angular eclipse. Now the fourth one is hybrid eclipse. Hybrid eclipse. Now these are a very rare form of solar system. They don't usually occur, they very rarely occur, which changes from the angular to total solar eclipse. That is from here, from this angular, like it is very thin, na? Very small part is visible, very, solar disk, a bright circle is visible, which will go to total solar eclipse. That means it will become totally. Now this was visible, right? This thin layer was visible. Now that also will not be visible. It will be becoming total solar eclipse. So the transformation of angular to total is called as hybrid eclipse. So there are four type of eclipse. Shadow of moon when falls on the earth is called as solar eclipse. There are four types: total, partial, annular, hybrid. Okay, total means complete moon will not be visible to us. Partial means a part of it will be visible. Annular means a thin layer is visible to us, which is appearing to be bright. And hybrid means from this annular to the total solar eclipse, it is getting transformed. That is called as the hybrid eclipse. Okay. Next, coming to the lunar eclipse. So we have learned about solar eclipse. Now we'll go with the lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse occurs when the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. Solar eclipse, we have seen that the shadow of the moon is falling on the earth. Here it is opposite. The shadow of earth is falling on the moon. So when it is occurring, when the shadow of earth is falling on moon. Okay, and in solar eclipse we have learned shadow of moon is falling on earth, whereas in lunar eclipse shadow of earth is falling on the moon. Okay, now this occurs mainly on full moon day. Okay, full moon day only it will take place, mainly full moon day that will be, whereas solar eclipse will take place mainly on the new moon day. Okay, now coming to the types of lunar eclipse. First type is again here also total lunar eclipse. Total means again I said completely it will be covered, complete whole moon is covered. It occurs when the earth's shadow obscures all the moon visible surface. That means totally the moon will not be visible, totally the moon will not be visible. And in partial lunar eclipse, again the partial part, little part is available, partial is visible and partial is not visible. So here we can say part of the moon is visible. Okay, the next coming to the here one of the important where we have learned annular eclipse, right? Here we have penumbral lunar eclipse. What it is? Penumbral lunar eclipse. This is the important one. Now what happens in this? It happens when the moon travels through the partially shaded outer region of the shadow cast by the earth's, when it is moving, when it is traveling. Okay, from the partial region it is traveling up like this, you can see. Suppose this is the partial region, here you have the shadow, then this is your sun, it is going like this. Okay, so it will cross like this, it will come here like this, from down to up it will cross. When it is crossing, it is having few of the the steps. Okay, when it is crossing also we can observe one step. So with this we have learned about the lunar eclipse and solar eclipse, right? So in our next class we will learn about the few other things. So I end up the video here itself. Try to read the textbook after listening to the video. Okay, thank you for watching.